right, guys. So this is less than 20 bucks. I think it was like 18 bucks, guys, from Amazon. Okay, check the link in the description. This is the final touches. You gotta put that around. Kind of keeps the edges from getting sharp, which honestly they're not horribly sharp, but you know, it does overlap, so it will keep it safer for anybody, especially little kids and things like that. Guys, this thing's beautiful. I think it's gonna work out great, and it's a steal of a deal. The installation is very straightforward. You have these bolts and then the wing nuts on the inside, and you just assemble until you're done. I am loving it, guys. Give it a thumbs up. DIY wife is helping me out today. She's awesome. And if there's any extras, you can just cut them off with the scissors. It's going in the garden. All right, so here's another tip, okay? So you're gonna wanna go ahead and put 2 of these bolts in, one on the top, one on the bottom, keeps it stable, and then you're gonna put the rest of them in there. You're gonna do them a little bit loose first, okay? So see how this is all loose and wobbly, all right? These are all loose. You're gonna start tightening them up once they're all in a row, okay? Now these are all tight here. These are all good and solid, but that's a pro tip, guys. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and tighten all these guys up now. But yeah, put the rest of those nuts and butterflies on loosely first before you start tightening it. This thing's coming along really good. It's gonna look great in the yard. You know, as I keep building this out, I'm actually liking it more. It looks really good. It's looking really good, actually. So this is the inside. Make sure you put the wing nuts on the inside. So on the outside is the flesh bolt, okay? Now I've still got to put it's actually as big as I thought it would be, a little bigger than I thought it would be. But guys, it's really straightforward, easy to do. So far, I am in love with this. Give it a thumbs up.